Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. We will make sardines suke today, that is talle in Kokani. Now we will take 250 grams sardines. These are fresh, you can see the small ones, and we will clean them as shown. Scrape off the scales very gently. Don't peel the skin, only the scales should be removed. These are small fish, so I prefer to cut it with the scissor. I have used kitchen scissors, so it is easy to cut. Remove the head, tail, and the intestine part. Clean it. Clean all the sardines in the similar way and keep them aside. We will apply salt. Take half teaspoon sea salt and apply. Rub it in. The scale should come off if any are remaining. And after half an hour, wash the fish inside out. It should be clean. And now take half cup fresh grated coconut in a pot. Add the sardines. This we have not kept on the flame as yet. 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, and 2 kokum, sea salt to taste. There is already salt for the fish, so you should add less. And quarter cup water, 1 slit green chili. You can add half or 1 as per your taste. Take a small piece of ginger and 8 to 10 tefla, that is Szechuan pepper, without the seeds. Crush them lightly and add to the pot. Now we will add coconut oil, 1 teaspoon. Mix very gently with a spoon so as to not break the fish. It is not recommended to stir like this when it is cooking. So we will mix it now so that to blend all the flavors. Once it is mixed, we will cook it. Now keep the pot on the flame. Keep on high flame for say around 30 seconds till you get it to a boil, and then we will cover and cook for around a minute. The fish is very small and it will cook very fast on steam. So keep checking. You can check when the fish is hard, it is cooked. Adjust the taste at this point. The gravy part you can taste and you will know whether any more salt is required. But the fish already has salt, so be careful while adding more salt. The kokum is given for the sour taste. Now this is a side dish which is served along with prawn curry rice and fish fry. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.